Hi, everybody, and welcome back to Hex Token Channel. I'm your host, Superman. Look at this chart. This is Hedron, and wow. What a beautiful thing to happen. Hex may be trying to find its bottom and maybe at its bottom or about now, but Hedron has been rocketing. And of course, big shout out to Alex, the developer, for this. It has been super successful. Look at this, going really good. And of course, we're going to look at a price review, a bit of analysis, and of course, look at the wallets. And a bit of a price prediction as well. So let's get into that. All right, so at the moment, we are on version 3 of Uniswap. It's a Hedron USDC pair. This is the main pair. It has the vast majority of the liquidity. You can see liquidity at 2.1 million. And of course, it's got a market cap of 109 million. That was about 115 million earlier. A pretty amazing stuff at the moment. 24 hours, it's up 47% at the moment. It has been higher. Obviously, we've got a little bit of a red here. So we just finished day 11, the 8th of March. And, of course, look at that green candle. Amazing stuff there. It really is incredible. So if we actually look at the 24-hour, up 47% at the moment on today's candle at the 9th of March, and it's day 12. And, of course, we're up 47%, 6 hours, 5.3%, 1 hour down 4%, and so forth. So nice. If we actually look at the 24-hour antics, you can see volume's been 2.3 million US dollars. That's about 15% of the Hex volume, more or less. And of course, the sales there is 137 sales, 525 buys. Pretty amazing, and 662 transactions there. 6 hours, you can see that we've had 39 sales, 161 buys. Last hour, we've had 36 buys, 10 sales. Obviously, it doesn't deal with the volume, but you can sort of see what's going on there. Pretty amazing. So massive candles. Let's quickly have a look at, let's do the price review first. Obviously, back on the 3rd of March was our low. We were down at 6055. And of course, we're going to rocket that up all the way to the top that we just had only a little while ago. And of course, up 263%. Amazing gains. The 0.50 is 144. So amazing outcome there, folks. Really is amazing. And of course, now we're still up 243% in 6 days. That's crypto, folks. Welcome to crypto. And obviously, a good project's going to give you these kind of bounces out. So pretty cool. Open day there, we've got an indicative price of 50318. And of course, the following day, 50225. So we're just slowly climbing back up there, folks. That's pretty cool. Let's actually have a look at the actual breakdown in the pool at the moment. We've got 404 billion Hedron in there versus $1.3 million in USDC. So that's how long. And the pair was created 10 days and 16 hours ago. It's kind of a breakdown. You can see the latest trades down the bottom there. All right, let's jump over to the contract before we come back to the price chart. Man, oh man, look at this. So we've got 58.5 billion Hedron in there. Hex Godwell's claimed. Looks like some of the daughter wallets for the Origin account have claimed. We're up to 58.4 trillion Hedron. Amazing. 8,792 holders. We can see the top holders here on the whole page. We've got 42.78% in this account at the top here. And of course, followed by all these large accounts down here. So you can sort of see the top there on the top page. To get in the top 50, you need 57 billion Hedron. And of course, man, that's amazing stuff there at the moment. So it gives you an idea. There's lots of wallets here that could sell down, really, particularly these big wallets. And of course, the Hex Goldwell or the Origin account. With these top wallets. So pretty awesome stuff there. We'll see what happens with that. We are getting a little bit of a movement around at the moment, but it's still holding up very strong at 50191. So I expect this to probably still tune up higher. We've obviously got the high here at 503. So if we actually did a little ruler here, we could quite reasonably, keep tracing up to that at the moment. I think with the Hex Goldwell and, of course, the Origin account claiming, that's really boosted the confidence here in the market. So I think that's pretty bullish. Obviously, we're going to get a bit of selling here at some stages, but I actually think that we're doing pretty well. Now, maybe only 50% or so of the wallets have actually claimed. And, of course, maybe of all the wallets that have claimed, maybe 50% or so have actually minted. So there's still a lot to be minted as well. Just take that into account. But it's actually looking very, very bullish in my view. So we'll have to see whether the buying momentum is greater than the selling momentum. Obviously, a lot of people have made 250% since the low there, and of course, all the all the Hedron that's minted is free for the Hex native stakes. So pretty amazing. On a positive, of course, lots of HSI stakes have made. Those are new stakes that are made on the Hedron platform as wrapped Hex stakes that are tradable. And of course, we've also seen a bit of borrowing there too. Obviously, you can only borrow on HSI stakes going up, so that's something to be seen. So you can see someone here has made a little bit of a profit here, so doing pretty well on that. So we could see a bit of profit taking at the moment before we see another move up. But once again, still got a pretty bullish move at the moment. People just don't sell, to sit back and relax, which is what we've seen so far to get this price rise. Then that should be the case. So very, very cool. All right, so looking good there, folks. I definitely think that a 503 is potentially on the horizon, but we'll have to wait and see. You just never know with these things. But I still think that we've got quite a good upside there in play for the future. We'll just have to watch it. Probably a bit of profit taking today, and then a move up there. But we could see increasing green candles all the way back up to 503. It's going to be fascinating to see that play out. Once again, if we look at the contract here, really it's these big accounts that would actually sell down the pool, as it were, the liquidity, and take the US dollars out. So we'll watch these ones. They may just sit there and let the price just continue to rise before they decide to pull out the big profits. So definitely something to watch there at the moment. But obviously we've had 4 days of green candles. Today's just started, so it's still early time there. If we go to the 4 hourly, we can see the breakdown, just the 4 hourly there. Still looking very, very good. Only had a couple little pullbacks on the 4 hours. If we go to 1 hour, we can see we had a little bit of hesitation here. So a little bit of holding back after such a big run up. The volume's definitely increased as well. So we'll see how it goes. I still think still early days. I think with the claims from the Hex Gold Whale Origin accounts, that's super bullish for Hedron, and of course all the functionality will play out over the time. But definitely speculation going on in here at the moment, and I actually think still plenty of room to move up. It's going to be fascinating to see that at the moment. So cool. Hope you guys enjoyed that quick Hedron price review. Man, up 50% in the last 24 hours. Pretty nice and exciting times ahead. All right, take care now. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.